and then put it through the circle, and then you tighten it. You are watching JnC's Corner. Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to make a bird feeder. The things that we're going to need for this project are bird seeds, peanut butter, string, toilet paper, cardboard, a plate, butter knife, and spoon. First step is that we need to prepare the bird seeds. Okay. And then you pour some of the bird seeds into a plate. Only some, not all. Set these nuts aside. Next, get the toilet roll cardboard. Next, get your peanut butter and then spread it on the roll, around the roll. Spreading your peanut butter on your roll. Next, you're gonna get your seeds and you're gonna roll it in the seeds. Next, we're gonna set up our string. Get however long you want your string, and then you cut it off. Yeah. Once you have your string, you get one end of your string, and then you put it through the roll, and then you tie it off like that. You put it together, and then you make a circle-ish, and then you make a circle, and then put it through the circle, and then you tighten it. Ciao. Our bird feeder is now ready to get hanged.
There you go. We made 2 bird feeder and we attach it in the pig line at our backyard. We put one high up and the other one just above the ground. We are just curious which one the bird will eat most. If you like to see birds around your house, why not try this project and let us know how did it goes. Thanks for watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel and also visit us at www.jnccorner.com, and see you again next time. Bye!